Sourdough pizza. Yum. Jules here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for checking in. This is a sourdough pizza. When somebody in your family is craving pizza, I get out that sourdough starter discard and I make pizza. This is homemade sauce as well as home-dried herbs from my gardens prior, as well as the Candyland little tomatoes are from my garden last year that were frozen in oil in my freezer, and also dried basil, purple and green basil. So got some onions on there, just a little kick of flavor. Yum. All right, I'm gonna deliver this pizza today to somebody who's craving pizza. Signing out. Love to all. Remember to like and subscribe. Use those sourdough discards to your benefit. I make a lot of starter, so the discards will be plentiful enough to make other things as you go about keeping your starter alive. All right, signing out. Jules.